paper, and then you should have your Smith chart, draw, okay, for the quiz, and then you just take picture and then send email to me, okay, about the email EMJ38303, okay. And then about this one, okay, this the mapping, okay, about the CO and the topic. Okay, so the topic here I highlight, okay, so this one is a very important, okay, about this topic, okay. And then for my final exam, there are no calculation, but you should have know the concept, the fundamental, okay. And then originally, okay, the engineer that designed about this one, OSI, Open System Interconnection. And then this one is a very complex, okay, they got a 7 layer. Okay, they got a 7 layer and then compress, okay, so you should get this one, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, okay, TCP IP. This one is not fully have a 7 layer. Okay, so they compress. Okay, so they got this one. And then the others is about the principal, okay, layer protocol. Okay, this one, they're just modification. And then about the industry here, okay, about the industry here, was a very important, okay, about the characteristic. Okay, about the characteristic, okay, real time. Okay, real time, and also redundant. Okay, this one is a very special, okay, for the industry. Okay, so they need this requirement. Okay, real time must be very good. Okay, real time must be very good. And then they got a redundant. Redundant here meaning that they got a backup. Okay, they got a backup. So if there is, for example, if their switch is malfunction, okay, so they will have a backup. The other switch idle will turn on. Okay, so make sure that the networking still working. Okay, and then about this one, okay, I already mentioned to you about the real time. Okay, and then the quality. Okay, okay, next, okay, about the CO2, about the cable, and then this cable, okay, you can divide. Okay, cable divide into 2 parts. Okay, first is a copper, second is a fiber. Okay, and then about the copper here, okay, no, copper, okay, copper, okay, cuprum, okay, cuprum here, okay, this one, what I teach you yesterday about the impedance matching. Okay, impedance matching. Okay, if you got this one, okay, you will get maximum power transfer. Okay, so they want to try, okay, for the losses is a minimum. Okay, so some of the power might be the losses in form of heat. Okay, so the idea here, they want to impedance matching. This one, impedance matching here, you want to cancel J operator. You didn't want J operator. Okay, and then about the J operator yesterday, I already told you. Okay, for the capacitance and also inductance. Okay, inductance just this turn. Okay, you make a coil and then you got inductor, and then this one is capacitance, and then about this impedance for the XC, 1 over J omega C. Okay, for the XL equal to J omega L. Okay, this one is C. Okay, and then this one, okay, they got a negative. Okay, you got you can expand negative J, okay, omega C. Okay, this one negative, this one is a positive. So they want to cancel each other. Okay, and then about this one, the cable, okay, you should know the noise, crosstalk, okay, attenuation to crosstalk ratio. This lecture note I will give you later. Okay, I will update my lecture note in Google Drive. Okay, and then the others cable. Okay, this coaxial cable they are made from the copper. Okay, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable. Okay, and then the parallel. No, I think nowadays no more then it's not recommended you using a parallel. Okay, so at least okay you're using a twisted pair cable. And then if you got the money, you buy a coaxial cable. The coaxial cable compared to twisted pair cable, coaxial cable is expensive, okay, compared to twisted pair. Okay, but this one, they are made from copper. Okay, next is a fiber. And then about the fiber is very special, okay, because why? Because the data travel in form of light. Okay, so the data travel in form of light, so the speed of light, C equal to F lambda equal to 3.0 times 10 power of 8 meter per second. Okay, so it's very fast. Okay, and then you should know the parameter. Okay, so this fiber, they are immune. Okay, they are immune to the noise. It's not affected by the noise. Because why? Because the data travel in form of light. Okay, not electrical signal. For the copper, the data travel in form of electrical signal. So you got voltage, okay, you got a current. But for the fiber optic, it's a light signal. Okay, light signal. So this one is a wave. Okay, they got a lambda. Okay, wavelength. Okay, wavelength here is very simple. You just take a peak. Okay, peak. One peak, two peak. Okay, you got a lambda. Okay, the wavelength. Okay, and then here you should know the parameter, all the parameter for the fiber. Okay, about the attenuation, about the repeater, about the function, what the advantage, and so on. Okay, and then next is CO3 about this one, industry Ethernet. Okay, and then about the Ethernet, okay, they are using same protocol. The protocol here is Ethernet, but the problem for the industry, they have a lot of noise. That's a main problem. Noise is very high. Okay, and then that's why, okay, for this case here, okay, the use, okay, because of the noise, so they are very special. So that's why they add industrial. Because why? Because for the industry, noise is very high. And then for the industry, okay, this one is a two main aspect. Must be very important. Okay, real time and redundant. Real time is very simple. Okay, when you make a WhatsApp call, you see your friend. Okay, there are no delay. Just like you're talking, yes, your friend in front of you. Okay, but actually your friend, okay, there are others place. Okay, you just using your smartphone, and then you make a call. Okay. Okay, this one. And then also, okay, you should know, okay, the device. Okay, the device for the Ethernet. So for this case here, what the function for repeater? Okay, repeater is a one layer. Okay, so this one is a amplifier. Okay, inside. Okay, so that's why for the communication, they have a lot of amplifier. Okay, they want to amplify that signal. And then if your signal strength not enough, okay, they cannot process for the other's device. Okay, that's the reason you need to connect to repeater. And then inside the repeater actually is a amplifier circuit. And then for the hub is a multi-port repeater. Okay, multi-port repeater. Inside same. Okay, they got an amplifier, but they doesn't have an intelligence. They doesn't know how they channel, okay, the data. And then okay, about next is a switch. Okay, switch, they got the 2 layer, so very intelligent. And then the router, they got a 3 layer. And then for your case here, for you're doing for the industry, you cannot use a hub. At least you should use a switch. If you compare the price, hub is a cheaper compared to switch. Switch is a cheaper compared to router. Router is a cheaper compared to bridge. Okay, so it depends on your budget. But for the industry, you cannot use hub. Okay, and then for the repeater, it's a very simple. You just one wired. Okay, that are recommended is a 100 meter. Okay, you cannot use more than that. And then after we want to connect, so you need to connect to repeater. Okay, and then you can connect the other cable, LAN cable. So they are recommended 100 meter. Okay, so why? Because after they travel if they are travel from here, okay, the data travel from here, after 100 meter, they got a weakness. Okay, the strength is decreased. So you need to connect to repeater. And then repeater will amplify that signal. Okay, so you can send another 100 meter. They are recommended 100 meter for LAN cable. More than that, not recommended. Okay. And then about the wireless, of course, is a very famous. Okay, it's very famous. So what I can say here, okay, because why? Because for the industry, even you want to put your keyboard doesn't have a space. Okay, I already told you. So the solution for the industry, you can see they have a lot of touchscreen. After the programmer, okay, they make a program and then they make animation and then the operator just touchscreen. The program already there. And then they have a login. So the not authorized person cannot change, okay, the program. So they fix the lock, the program, and then the operator just touch the button on off and then depend on their function. Okay. Okay, and then next, okay, for this one industrial. So okay, you should explain to me, okay, about the basic. Okay, for the Modbus, this BiceNet, okay, Profibus and HUD. Okay, this one is a fundamental. Okay, but for right now, because for the industrial networking, the price is very expensive. Okay, so most of the Asia country, okay, we are developing country. We are developing country, more Asia is a developing country, so they're still using the old technology. Okay, and then for the new technology right now, okay, that we're using industrial Ethernet. And then for the Ethernet, the protocol, they are same. Okay, same with the Ethernet, they made a modification to achieve these two parts, okay, real time and redundant. And then about this one, okay, Modbus, okay, this one is an old technology, just the fundamental and basic, okay, internet layer protocol, host-to-host layer troubleshooting, about the device net, okay, connector, cable disruption, okay, network power and signaling, Profibus, okay, communication model and system operation, HUD, okay, protocol, physical layer, data link layer, and troubleshooting. And then about this one, okay, they have their own protocol, so that's why Modbus cannot communicate with the device net. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, when you want to upgrade, okay, your system, okay, if you want to install a new system, might be very expensive. Okay, that's why they want to standardize, okay, using Ethernet. That's why I already told you, even computer right now is a very, very, very powerful. Okay, but still they are using binary. Because why? Because they can integrate with the oldest system with the new system without any problem. So they just continue. For the computer is a binary. All is a binary. Even for today, they can setting, okay, using a decimal. Okay, but they still continue, okay, using a binary. Okay, binary is a 010101. Okay. Okay, any question? Okay, any question? Ada soalan? Okay, okay, I will give you a take-home quiz. Okay, so you should submit your quiz due date tomorrow. Okay, before 12 p.m. Okay, handwriting. Okay, after you write your answer, take a picture, and then email to me. Okay, emj303@gmail. Okay, before I give you a quiz, any question? Okay, about the quiz, I will give you through my WhatsApp group. So everybody got, okay, WhatsApp group. Okay, today, just a very short, okay, revision class. I think enough. And then don't worry for my final exam question, not very difficult. And then reminder for my paper, 19, okay, 19 July. Okay, in Dewan Ilmu. Okay, any question? Okay, ada apa-apa soalan tak? Okay, I will give you a take-home quiz. Okay, so take-home quiz, due date tomorrow before 12 p.m. You should email to me your answer. Okay, any question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no. Okay. Okay, untuk final exam, you no need to bring jangka lukis. No need to bring kompas. Okay. No, for the final exam, no speed chart. Okay. For today, for the quiz, you should use a speed chart. Okay. Okay, any question? Okay, reminder for final exam, no speed chart. So you no need to bring kompas. Okay, or jangka lukis. Okay, any question? Okay, about the final exam, calculation yang simple lah. Calculation is very simple. Okay, it's not very complicated because for the engineering you cannot ignore about the calculation. But about the calculation, very simple, very fundamental. Okay, very fundamental. For example, about the fiber optic, okay, you should give me the formula involved. Okay, so I already told you C equal to F lambda for the light. Same also for the others electromagnetic wave. Okay, your smartphone. Okay, your smartphone, okay, the speed same. C equal to F lambda. Okay, same with the speed of light. Okay, for example, okay, so you should give me the related equation. For example, fiber optic, because the data travel in form of light. Okay, not what I can say here, not electrical signal. So you should give me the fundamental. Okay, C equal to F lambda. Okay, what they're related. Okay, any question? But don't worry, most of the question for the final exam is very easy. Okay, any question? Okay, there are no tips. I will give you a rewards. Okay, confirm. Okay, there are no Smith chart for final exam. Don't worry. But for today quiz, you should use a Smith chart. Okay, so take home quiz, I give you enough time. So you should submit, okay, before tomorrow, 12 p.m. Any topic, all. You should study all. Okay, because for my topic, all should be put in the final exam. Okay, must be balanced. Okay, no, you cannot focus. Okay, you need to study all of the topic. Okay. Okay, I will give you a quiz. Okay, before that, security code for attendance. The security code for attendance is a quiz. Okay, and then check your WhatsApp. I will give you a quiz question. So everybody got questions. Okay, I already WhatsApp to you. Okay, the quiz question. Okay, and then this one is a capital Z. Okay, you should normalize. Okay, so if I not tell you, you normalize. Okay, capital ZL, you divide by 50. Okay, bagi dengan 50. Okay, and then use Smith chart. Okay, to find ZS. Also using a calculation. Use that yesterday formula. Okay, you need to compare, so you should get the same answer. Okay, any question? So I already give you a question. So due date, you should submit before 12 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, and then reminder, you are given 5 minutes to fill online attendance. Security code is a quiz. Okay, sekian, terima kasih.